In March 1888, a catastrophic blizzard struck the northeastern United States, catching many off guard. Known as the Great Blizzard of 1888, it began on March 11th and lasted for 2 days, dumping up to 55 inches of snow in some areas. Winds howled at over 45 miles per hour, creating snowdrifts that buried entire buildings. Public transportation halted, and communication lines collapsed, isolating communities. The storm claimed over 400 lives, with many victims trapped in the streets or caught in their homes. Its aftermath revolutionized weather forecasting, leading to the establishment of the U.S. Weather Bureau. This storm remains a pivotal moment in meteorological history, marking the power of nature.